Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn EVS Lesson 9 Times of Emergencies. In this lesson, we are going to learn about natural calamities, consequences of natural calamities, tips for survival, and help in times of emergency. We often hear about events that cause damage to human life and property, and we have no control over them. Emergency caused by natural factors such as earthquakes, tsunamis, cyclones, and floods, etc., or natural disasters. Because of these natural calamities, some people become handicapped for a lifetime. Dams and roads are damaged. Many people become homeless. Services like electricity, transport, water supply are disturbed. However, we also see people coming together to help one another during such situations. Let us discuss these natural calamities in detail. First one, earthquake. Earthquake means shaking of the earth's surface caused by the sudden movement of the tectonic plates below the earth's surface. They cause damage to life and property. Next, the earth consists of three layers, namely the inner core, the mantle, and the crust. The crust is made up of tectonic plates. They are in constant motion. The moving plates sometimes get struck. There is a pressure for them to move, and when this pressure is more, the plates or rock breaks and energy is released, which cause the earthquakes. The surface of the earth above the point at which the plates break is called the epicenter. The impact is maximum in that places. Children, what should we do if there is an earthquake? First thing we should do is keep calm, walk out of the building and move to an open area. And then do not enter buildings immediately after the earthquake. And you should not stand near windows, hangings, and also stay away from electric poles and big trees. Next, second, volcanic eruption. Volcano is a vent in the earth crust through which molten rocks, that is lava, hot gases and ash are ejected from the earth's interior, which causes huge damage to the surrounding areas. Next, third one, cyclones. Cyclone is a very strong rotating storms. It means heavy wind accompanied by heavy lashing rains, which causes loss of life and property. Children, what should you do in case of a cyclone? We should listen regularly to the weather forecast if you are living near the coastal area. Keep a first aid kit ready. Do not use electric appliances when there is a cyclone. Check for gas leakage after the cyclone. Fourth one, tsunami. Tsunami are huge sea waves and are caused as a result of an earthquake or a volcanic eruption under the sea. The waves travel with a great speed and can be as high as 50 feet. It may also cause loss of life and property. What should be done if there is a tsunami? If you live in a coastal area and feel an earthquake, quickly run to a higher ground level. Before a tsunami strikes, the sea often reduces from the coast. If you see such a thing, move away from the coast. Fifth one, landslides. Landslides occur in hilly areas when big rocks, stones, and mud slide down the mountain slopes towards valley. Landslides are commonly occurred during the rainy season. The main cause for landslides is deforestation on hill slopes. Sixth one, floods. When the water level in rivers and lakes rises due to the heavy rainfall and flows out on to the nearby land, it causes floods. Floods damages the crops, animals, property, and human life. Floods also spread diseases like malaria and cholera. Seventh one, drought. A drought is a long dry spell of weather with little or no rainfall. It causes severe damage to the soil, crops, animals, and people. It is common in the desert regions of Rajasthan. What should we do in case of a drought? Take a bath using a bucket of water instead of a shower. Do not waste water in any way. Conserve water. Do not leave the tap running unnecessarily. Repair leaking taps. Do not throw away water that has been used for washing clothes. Use it for watering plants or to clean vehicles. Eighth one, wildfire. Fire in the forest and other area covered by vegetation is called wildfire or forest fire. These are uncontrolled fire can destroy forest vegetation and animal species. They are sudden spread over large area. Forest fire occur due to natural events like striking of a lightning or just dry leaves catching fires and human negligence. What should be done in case of a wildfire? Do not panic. See how you can move fast away from the area. First of all, raise an alarm. Inform the fire brigade so that the situation can be controlled. If you live near forest area, create a safety zone around the house that separated your home from plants and bushes that can burn easily. Dried bush and grass from your property. Help in times of emergency. The government provides relief to the people during the time of emergencies. Beside government, many national and international non-governmental organizations and the United Nations Disaster Management Team also support the affected people. Some other organizations that provide help are United Nations Children Education Fund, Indian Red Cross, First Hand Foundation, policemen, firemen, soldiers, and volunteers help in rescue work. Then what is your role, children? Join hands with NGO and do your best. Collect essential items like food, water, clothes, etc. and send to the affected areas. Encourage the people in your neighborhood to contribute in case or to help those who have lost everything. Children, do you know what is an emergency kit? Every family should have an emergency kit at home. If there is an earthquake, flood, or tsunami, there could be a power cut or the water could get polluted. You might get stuck in your home for several days because of a storm or a flood. Having an emergency kit ready could help at such times. The emergency kit should contain following things: dry food and drinks, essential clothes, torch and medicines. Next, question answers. What is an earthquake? How does it occur? An earthquake is the shaking of the earth's surface caused by the sudden movement of the tectonic plates below the earth's surface. Second question, what should we do if there is an earthquake? If there is an earthquake, keep calm, walk out of the building and move to open area. Do not enter a building immediately after it stops. Do not stand near window, mirror, hanging pots. Stay away from electric poles and trees. Third question, write short notes on drought, landslides. First one, drought is a long dry spell of weather with little or no rainfall. It causes severe damage to the soil, crops, animals, and people, common in deserts. Second one, landslides occur in hilly areas when big rocks, stones, and mud slides down the mountain slopes towards valley, common during rainy season. Fourth question, what is the uses of an emergency kit? What should it contain? If there is an earthquake, flood or tsunami, there could be a power cut or the water could get polluted. We might get stuck in the home for several days because of a storm or flood. Emergency kit could help at such times. Emergency kit should contain dry foods and drinks, essential clothes, torch and medicines and toiletries. Fifth question, what are floods and cyclones? How are they destructive? Answer, floods when water level in rivers and lakes rises due to heavy rainfall and flows out onto the nearby land, it causes flood. They damages crops, animals, property and life. Cyclone is a very strong rotating storms by heavy lashing rains, strong winds, and rain causes loss to life and property. They cause lot of damage to crops. Second section, choose and write the correct option. The molten rocks that come out of a volcano is called lava. Second one, long dry spell with little or no rainfall is called drought. Third one, earthquake is caused by the sudden movement below the earth's surface. Fourth one, raise an alarm and inform the fire brigade by calling 101. Fifth one, cyclone causes lot of damage to crops. Third section, fill in the blanks. First one, landslides occur in hilly areas. Second one, wildfires are destructive fires in forest. Third one, tsunamis are huge sea waves caused by an earthquake under the sea. Fourth one, earthquakes cause great damage to life and property. Fifth one, deforestation result in landslides. And today homework for you children, learn, fill in the blanks and write 3 question answers one time.